I'm going to make a Parchment Mason Bee tube. And how you do that is take some parchment I used from Costco. That's going to last me about 1,000,000 years. I cut off a piece that's about 5 inches, and then I fold it in half, and I prefer to cut it, but just for this. And then you cut it diagonally, and you come up with something like that. And next thing you need is a dowel, or what I've been using is a dollar store pen. They're thinner than regular pens. Anyway, this one used to have a big sequin star on it, and this one, they always have this one. Just make sure you take the little cap off of it. Anyway, this is my favorite one, so I'm going to use this. So the point is to eventually get it into here, and you need this because mono wasps will drill through something as delicate as a parchment. So anyway, you see I'm just going to roll it in here, make sure it's super tight, and roll it like that. And I'm just going to rip this off so I can get it in there easier. All the way in, and then fold this piece over, because you don't have to have all this extra on here, but fold it over like that, and then I end up just ripping this off and then taking your pen out. That's sometimes the hardest part. Taking the pen out, there it is. So it's going to look kind of like that. And yeah, you just want a little bit on the end, and you might even want to take a piece of scissors and get that piece off. Anyway, so that's what it looks like. And when you pull it out, obviously it'll look like that, but it's pretty easy just to open this up and get your cocoons out. And to prove that it does work, here's one that's finished. And the girls have been very hardworking in there. So out in their little house. Anyway, I'm not going to monkey with this, but you can see that they do like it. And it's really, you know, it's not glamorous, but guess what? It works, and it's like a bazillionth of a penny. So anyway, that's how you do it.